In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to take JPEG photos with your iPhone 16. So if you find yourself taking HEIF photos, which is basically high efficiency image format photos like this, and you want to instead take JPEG photos, then all you have to do is go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to camera, tap on that. And then under camera, go to formats, tap on that, and then you can change from high efficiency to most compatible. Most compatible basically means JPEG. So once you select that, from now on, anytime you take a picture with your iPhone 16 camera and you check the information, you should see it's going to be a JPEG by default. Okay, so that is basically how to take JPEG photos with your iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and older iPhones as well. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe even subscribe for more tips. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.